Want to stop your Apple Watch from automatically returning to the clock face? The auto return to clock behavior on the Apple Watch is generally not something you can completely disable. However, you can adjust the timing of when it returns to the clock face. In this video, I'll show you how to adjust auto return to the clock on your Apple Watch. So let's get started. First, open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Tap General. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Return to Clock. Here, you have several options like Always. Always means that the watch will immediately return to the clock face as soon as you stop actively interacting with an app. Then, after 2 minutes, means the watch will return to the clock face after 2 minutes of inactivity. And lastly, after 1 hour. After 1 hour means the watch will return to the clock face after 1 hour of inactivity. Here you can choose to return to the clock face always, after 2 minutes, or after 1 hour. And that's how you can adjust auto return to the clock on your Apple Watch. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. And if you have any kind of questions, then feel free to ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.